Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Assist. In this guide video, I will show you how to create Roblox account. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open Roblox application. If you do not have this application, you can download it from Play Store and App Store. You can see over here Roblox application has been opened. Initially, you'll be led to this kind of interface. Over here, you'll be able to find two options: create account, sign in. Simply tap on the option create account. Now you'll be led to this kind of interface. You can see over here before proceeding you'll have to select your birthday. So first of all select the month, scroll down or up. Likewise select the day. Now select the year. Now after that tap on the option confirm birthday that you can see on the screen. Now you'll have to enter your username. Tap on the field of username. Now simply enter your username over here. The username should be between 3 and 20 characters long. It must contain only letters, numbers and underscore. So simply enter the username for yourself. Now after doing that, you can also select the gender if you want. This is completely optional. Now tap on the continue option that you can see on the screen. Now you can see over here you'll have to create a password for yourself. Make sure your password is not simple. It must be at least 8 characters long and it should not match to your username. So simply create a password for yourself. Now after creating the password, tap on the done option that you can see on the screen. Now after doing that, you can see over here your account will be created. So like this, you'll be able to create Roblox account. So that is how you create Roblox account. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.